Hello guys, today we are streaming for about like 2 hours. Gonna be doing some programming, trying to work on a snake game. And the goal of this stream is to, if we can't learn how to use JFrame by the end of this video, whoever sees the video and comments or uses live chat, um, I will be doing whatever programming language you choose and trying to learn it in a set time that you guys give me. This is inspired by someone else who did this. Let me find his name actually. This is inspired by. Uh, Hold up. This is inspired. This video or the stream is actually and video I guess is gonna be inspired by Common Luke. So yeah. Uh, let's get started. So what I'm accomplishing in this stream or attempting to is actually learn how to create the snake game that you see on Google or something similar to it um, on Java. I'll be using some videos and stuff to help me um, uh, but yeah, that's about it. I have some minor experience. I'll be using Eclipse IDE, as you can see, and I don't know what else to say. I'll be using the Java programming language. I have like a couple months of experience, but I've never done anything like this. I've created a tic-tac-toe game and a calculator like for a physics thingy, whatever. But I've never done something as like hard as this, So yeah, I'm giving myself 2 hours. Gonna complete hopefully by 9:30. That might be very hard, but let's try. Who knows? So basically, I need to first get comfortable with Java Swing, which is the import class I'll be using. I've never used it before, and so I'll actually have to look at a couple tutorials to just make sure I get the base right and how to like do the arrow keys and everything and make it like the same. So first I'm gonna watch a couple videos, see if I can learn it. Um, I got a good basis to go off of. I actually don't think I need the runner class. I think I might just need one, possibly. Maybe not actually, but let me see. Yeah, I don't think I need it necessarily. I won't use it right now, but yeah. Okay. So I'll just use the runner class. Actually, I'll just get rid of it, and then in case I need it, I'll just get it. Okay, so first I gotta make the constructor. Okay, that's this constructor. I'll call it, I think, right? Is that what the thing said? Okay, so I actually do need it. I'm kind of stupid actually. Let me revert. So you do need this public string class. Thought I was getting it a little bit wrong. Cause I heard somewhere you needed it, but I don't know. Might be tripping. Okay, that's good. Next, I gotta call the constructor down here. Okay, so this will just create the basis of the panel of the J-frame. So that's what we're using, J-frame, JavaX, Swing, whatever you want to call it. So that's what's gonna create the actual panel that I'm gonna be doing everything on. So let me just start doing that actually. So first thing, J. So you can just call it like as a regular thing, I think, like a just a regular what's it called? A regular object. So, but I'll actually need to import the class. So, how do I do that? Hold up. Oh, port there. Oh, I forgot the. My bad. My bad. My bad. Okay. Okay, there. Now I'll just be doing the rest of the setup. Let me check what it was real quick. So I have to create a JPanel, I guess. Gotta get this method as well. Do I just call the whole swing class? Can I not just hold up? Can I not just do that? Never mind. I thought I could just import, or was it? I forgot what it was. I think it was that maybe. Oh, okay, okay, yeah, I was right. I was right. All right, yeah, I was just. I remember importing what's it called? It was a different thing. It wasn't Java Swing, but it was something else. And then now I guess I think I remembered. Uh, might have been actually Java Swing, but let's continue setting it up. I'll be doing panel dot. Do I need the panel? Can I not just do frame? Hold up. I want to test something out. My bad, guys. I don't have the time for this, but might just try it. Is there like some like I feel like there probably is some documentation I could just look at. But yeah. Okay, so I actually do need it. Never mind. Cause this guy is actually using it a lot. Okay. Let me just set it up then. Subborder. Create empty border. I'll just do some random ones. 30, 30, 30, 15. Should be good. Next setup, just set the layout. Panel.set layout. New grid layout. I don't think that's supposed to be capital. It is actually, my bad. Should have stuck with my gut. Actually, I'm gonna just call these frames and panels. No point in doing a different one. Looks like I also need to get the out class. AWT. Okay, now it's all the frame stuff that I gotta do. Set default, close operation. Was it? Okay, jframe.exon close. Okay. That's just, I'm pretty sure this is just to make it so that when you click the X out on the top right, it can, it'll be able to exit. Like, without clicking this, then it wouldn't exit if I didn't have this line of code. But now that I have this line of code, whenever you click the X, then it will exit out of the thing. Instead of just continuously running in between. What should I title it? Redux Snake Game. I can't spell. Okay, I think this is the last one. Or no, there's two more. My bad. I'm gonna set it visible. Frame.pack. Frame.set visible. True. Okay, there. Okay, I think I have everything. Let's just run it to make sure. There it is, right here. Oh, I don't think you guys can see it, but it's working. I'll edit the stream later. I might have to close out the stream to make sure that you guys can see it. But I think I need to edit this to make it bigger actually, because it's kind of small. Let's make it a square. There. That's a good size. Alright. Next. also have to animate the thing. I have a feeling I might not complete this in 2 hours. Just a gut feeling. Because in addition, I have to animate the snake as well, right? Yikes. Alright, quick question. Can we change this deadline to like the end of like spring break, you know what I'm saying? So basically, uh, Sunday. Sunday chill. Cause I have a feeling I might not complete this in 2 hours. Just a gut feeling, you know. I've never done this before, so okay. Cause I've been googling and it looks a little odd. I'm gonna first try putting a line on J-frame so that I can therefore then make it like a snake. Do I still have to paint it, dude? Okay, so line on J-frame. Okay, I think I did this a little bit wrong actually. I think I have to do a drawing panel. No, 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 okay, it's the same thing, never mind, I think. What is the difference between a drawing panel and a normal J panel? Hold up. Let me also make sure that everyone. Let me change the name of the stream actually as well. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I think I get it now. Alright. So I have to extend. So I have to. So okay. So I'll use this runner class to extend a I've okay. So I think I have to use a drawing class or a drawing panel, which actually extends the J panel, and then Yeah, and then I'll use this separate class to define what the drawing panel actually is and use like the override and everything. I think that's what I have to do. So I actually all this I have a feeling that maybe all this panel stuff or yeah, the panel stuff wasn't necessary. Wait, what if I just like hold up. Is there like a set size? Okay, there is. Okay. Hold up. There it is. Still not working. Don't get it. Wait, hold up. What was in this? There's a border, which I think is the same as a size, and then there's a layout. Don't get it. Okay. Mm. Okay, so actually I think I might just have to scrap the panel stuff from the tutorial and actually create a drawing panel. I think that's what I have to do. Um, okay, that's chill. That's not that bad. Uh, I'm a little tired already. So I gotta add a special pane? What does that even mean? Okay, set the preferred size. Okay, so what I actually have to do is create a drawing panel. So what's actually doing the drawing exactly? Okay, okay. Alright, I gotta get rid of this then. set this to a preferred size. Okay, so it's set preferred size. New dimension. So I have to make it so that you can draw on this. Okay. Oh, okay, so everything else is the same? Looks like it. Okay. So now I actually gotta create the thing. Okay, so this will actually be called runner, I guess, because I got nothing else. I'm not creating another new class, bro. Respectfully. Okay. Okay, class. Public. So I'll create another constructor. This time I think this thing has actually stuff in it. Yeah. It's got a super. Super call is used with within a subclass constructor to explicitly invoke the constructor of its immediate parent class. Okay, so it's basically invoking this one. Okay. Alright. Just had to understand that really quickly. My bad, guys. Super, and then set the background. I want to make it red. What? Oh, I have to do color dot. Right? Yeah. Alright, that's the constructor part done. Now I gotta understand this override stuff. I've never seen that before. What does at override even mean, bro? The at override annotation is an instruction to the Java compiler that you intend for a method to replace a method already defined in the parent class. Hmm. Intend for a method in your class to override a method already defined in the parent class. What method did I already define? It's talking about paint component. I did not define that. So it's just a safety thingy, I guess, bro. Alright. If anyone could actually explain that better, what the at override and protected stuff means, I don't really get it. Which I'm about to type here. Uh, I think it's just for like a protection of some sort for the code because we're like doing stuff to the parent class, but I'm not completely sure. Okay, here's some stuff. So it's overriding this. Okay. Still don't really get what it does, but I guess, bro. I need some actual someone to actually explain that in the chat or something, bro. I don't really get it. Guess that's fine. Super. I'm at a really slow pace, huh? So this thing calls it, and then it just calls it from the super or uh, the parent one, I believe. Uh, yeah. Okay. not doing, bro? Oh, there's just a draw line function? No one told me that, bro. Yo, you suck, gang. Whoever made this, bro. Oh, look at it. Oh my god. I drew a line. I drew a line. I drew a line. Oh my god. Oh, if only I could show you guys, bro. Only y'all could see this, bro. It's like a, oh my god, but it's really thin, actually. The red is pretty bright. That's actually a start. That's a good start. Can I make it like a thicker line, possibly? Graphics 2D. Okay, I need to use Graphics 2D to make it thicker. What do I set it? So I'm casting now. I learned a little bit about this, but I don't know, man. Never done this before. Like in real code. Watched a tutorial about it, but because for you guys, I haven't really like. Let me show you some of the work that I have done. It's not like anything like this. I've never used JFrame before, so please don't like be mad. You know what I'm saying? Because I do have some stuff. See, it's not this one. So actually, uh, where is it? There it is. See, I've been doing this stuff. I've used a scanner class. That's what I was talking about, the scanner. And I've been doing all this, like all these physics thingies. But I've never actually done, and then I'll show you my other one, which is the tic-tac-toe right here. I haven't, I haven't done like any advanced ones, you know what I'm saying? So, or like nothing using JFrame is what I mean by advanced. Because I've never used it, so, you know. But yeah, just don't like, okay. Um, Next thing I need to do is create a float. Okay, float variable. I haven't used this as well. I know what it is, obviously, but like I've never used a. Actually, I think I have for the physics one, because it's variables. Why is there an F at the end though? Don't get that. Oh, I think it's just. I think it's just for this actually. What if I just remove that? What does it say? Double to flow. Oh, it's another typecast, isn't it? Actually, have used typecasting. Now that I think of it. Silent night, promise me. Oh my god, I'm a lobotomous human being. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, it's way thicker now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's try and make this one move now. Let's make this one move. Just need to understand think something really put. add some viewers, man. It's chill. Has more advanced graphic 2D objects, so I can use its extra features. Hold up. So it's basically just like regular typecasting when you want to convert like a double to an integer to a double, but this time it's actually turning from a regular graphics to a graphics 2D, and that way you can use all the extra things that graphics 2D has. Okay, no, that's chill. That's chill. That's chill. No, no, I understand. All right. Uh, that's great actually. Now what do I want to do? I wanted to make a move, right? So you move. So now I have to use a timer. Oh my god, bro. Now I gotta implement something. Holy crap, bro. How advanced does it have to be, bro? Oh my god. I could do a public class runner extends JPanel or public class runner extends JPanel implements action listener, which is something from java.out. Bro, oh my god. I'm gonna end it. God dang it, bro. I'll do all of this. For what, bro? For what? Mm, I'm going insane. Will you cross my mind? Nah, no giving up. No giving up. No giving up. I'm making this game, bro. Or I'll at least try. Okay. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Sorry, guys. Okay, so I gotta create integers, public moving line. In the constructor, I also gotta do a timer. And then inside of the paint component overrided function, I gotta also include stroke, set stroke. No, I already did that. Yeah, I already did that. And I already drew the line. Actually, I gotta do plus 100, I think, because that way it can keep on increasing. Okay, I gotta implement a new override function then. What does it mean by it's undefined? Oh, I need to implement it, actually. Yeah, there. Yeah, I forgot about that. The heck did that do? Whatever, it fixed it, didn't it? I don't care. If it works, it works, you know what I'm saying? Alright, okay, next thing that I want to do is actually then start it. Started it. Next, I can actually just create the next one, which is actually the action performed function in the other. Is there any parameters that I can pass in? Yeah, action event. There always is. Okay. Gotta import. I'm implementing it. Calm down. Holy crap, bro. Things always trying to do stuff. Oopsies. Oopsies. why negative 100? It's told me to do that. Why don't I just do 0? And then repaint. This is actually the, I think, the thing that's repeating. Now I can run this. Oh. What's the problem? Why is it saying I can't instantiate it? What's that even mean, dude? Whatever. I've been muted this entire time. I'm sorry, guys. Uh, like I said, or like I previously said, uh, I got a soldering kit, and I'll be happy to actually show you guys me soldering if we get this stream to 2 likes. I doubt anyone's watching anyways, but if we get it to 2 likes, I'll do soldering live, and I'll also hopefully finish this project by the end of spring break with enough support, and I'll do it regardless. But whatever you guys want me to do, I don't even care if I don't finish it. I'll do whatever the top comment says when it's programming related. Like I'll do like a learn a language or something, or like do whatever you like, do a project, whatever you say. You know what I'm saying? Another game, whatever. I'll do it. Just type it in the chat. And stay along. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate y'all. Let me show you the final result. Let me see if I can do that actually. I think I actually have to display capture. Hold up. Uh, Let me actually run it first. Run the job application. Now let me see if I can actually capture it. Hold up. There it is. Here it is. Do you see it? I mean, man, what an accomplishment. You know, I haven't even used Java Swing this is like ever, and I just created this. You know what I'm saying? In an hour. It's pretty good actually. Hopefully it'll turn into a snake game pretty soon. I mean, you can see the snake, or at least the line. It's moving. I'm gonna connect it with the keyboard stuff right here, with the keys, and then we'll see where we can go from there. You know what I'm saying? And an apple, circle, whatever. We'll see. I appreciate whoever's watching this if you are, and thank you for everything. Please like this video, and please stick along for some motivation and stuff. See y'all.